Are you coming to school today?
Yes, I am coming today.
Did you finish your project?
Yes, I finished my project.
Can I sit next to you?
Sure, you can sit here.
Why are you looking worried?
I am just a little stressed.
Do you need my help?
Yes, I need some help.
What are you thinking about?
I am thinking about the test.
Did you call me yesterday?
No, I did not call you.
Can we talk after class?
Yes, we can talk later.
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, I am feeling better.
Why were you absent yesterday?
I was not feeling well.
Do you like this place?
Yes, I like this place.
Shall we go for a walk?
Yes, let's go together.
Can you explain this answer? Can you explain this answer?
I will try to explain. I will try to explain.
Are you free this evening? Are you free this evening?
Yes, I am free tonight. Yes, I am free tonight.
Did you understand the lesson? Did you understand the lesson?
Yes, I understood the lesson. Yes, I understood the lesson.
Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, you can take it. Sure, you can take it.
Why are you so quiet? Why are you so quiet?
I am just feeling tired. I am just feeling tired.
Do you want some water?
Yes, I want some water.
Shall we study together?
Yes, we can study together.
Are you ready to leave?
Yes, I am ready now.